So for problem number 10, we have find the volume of the solid whose base is the region bounded by y plus 1 is equal to x squared and y minus 3 is equal to 0 and whose cross sections are equilateral triangles with the base perpendicular to the y-axis. So in analyzing the problem number 10, we will use the formula volume is equal to the integral of the area of the intersection, which is x, so ax dx from A to B. And yung given natin sa problem, we have y plus 1 is equal to x squared and y minus 3 is equal to 0. So kung i-analyze natin yung problem, let's get gawin natin yung value, kunin natin yung value ng y dito sa given. So y is equal to x squared minus 1 and then y is equal to 3. So with the values of y dito sa una, y is equal to x squared minus 1, makikita natin na isa siyang parabola na nag-open upward. So i-graph natin siya. So since negative 1 yung andito, so yung minimum ng parabola ay negative 1, from negative 1. And then y is equal to 3 dito sa isang equation natin. So y is equal to 3. And then graph natin yung parabola. So ito naman yung graph ng isang equation, which is y minus 3 is equal to 0. So from this point, 0 and negative 1. And then this one is 0 and 3. So yung volume or yung nakukunin natin is yung area bounded between y is equal to x, y plus 1 is equal to x squared and y minus 3 is equal to 0. So ito siya. So ang sabi dito, yung cross section nito are equilateral triangles with the base perpendicular to the y-axis. So equilateral triangle siya. And then ibig sabihin para parehas yung sides niya. And then i-graph natin yung tatlong so i-graph natin yung three-dimensional figure. So let's say this is the z axis, x, and y. Ang sabi dito, perpendicular to the y-axis yung triangle. So, i-graph muna natin yung nabuo nating parabola. So, ayan siya. So, yung triangle is perpendicular to the y-axis. The base of the triangle is perpendicular to the y-axis. So, pag i-draw natin, ganito yung kalalabasan. This will be the 2x and this point will be the dx. So the area of an equilateral triangle is equal to square root of 3 all over 4 s squared. So given naman yung s natin dito, which is 2x, so i-substitute lang natin siya, magiging square root of 3 all over 4 times 2x squared. And the formula for the volume, V is equal to, so yung formula na ng volume natin ngayon ay the integral of ay, so mag-interchange na siya into y, dy from c to d. So since nag-interchange siya into y, ikukunin natin yung values ng x dito. So from y plus 1 is equal to x squared, yung value ng x natin dito ay square root of y plus 1. So, yung area natin ngayon ay the square root of 3 all over 4 times 2. So, yung value ng x natin, substitute lang natin, y plus 1, square root of y plus 1 squared. So, yung magiging volume natin ngayon ay the integral of square root of 3 all over 4 times 2 square root of y plus 1 squared dy from negative 1 to 3. And then, simplify natin siya. Magiging integral of square root of 3 all over 4 So, square natin to, magiging 4 times y plus 1 dy from negative 1 to 3. So, is equal to, cancel na tong 4 dito, magiging integral of square root of 3 times y plus 1 dy from negative 1 to 3. So, ilabas na natin tong constant, square root of 3, integral of y plus 1 dy from negative 1 to 3. And then, integrate na natin tong y plus 1. So, square root of 3 times y squared all over 2 plus y bounded from negative 1 to 3. Then, substitute lang natin yung given values. So, magiging square root of 3 times 3 squared all over 2 plus 3 minus negative 1 squared all over 2 plus negative 1. Kung ikakalculate natin to sa calculator, ang lalabas na final answer is 8 square root of 3 or 13.86 cubic units. So, ito na po yung final answer natin. And then, double check po natin siya. So, i-input natin sa calculator tong formula na to, since pwede na natin siyang makuha using the calculator. So, the integral of square root of 3 all over 4 times 2 square root of alpha y, pwede nating substitute into alpha x, okay lang naman, plus 1 squared from negative 1 to 3. So, tignan natin yung lalabas na answer kung parehas nga ba. So, ayan, parehas yung nakuha nating answer. And that's it for problem number 10.